Time now for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
Some real nasty stuff over the past weekend. Still some pretty big weather in the northeast. None of it finding our part of the southeast, but maybe our next chance for some showers or even thunderstorms coming on Friday when we finally start to change things up. Now, 24-hour temperature cast wants to get our numbers into the mid-80s again today. We tied a record at 85 yesterday. The record high for today would have to get to 89. We're not going to get to 89, but I do think we could probably still get to 84 or 85 again. And then overnight tonight into tomorrow, similar to what we have this morning, it's going to be upper 60s and low 70s, so warm out there, especially for this time of the year. I don't see a lot on the satellite radar composite. Maybe a couple of clouds more than we've had over the past few days, but we've got a pretty good breeze helping to stir things up, so we're not seeing a lot of fog this morning. It's 72 in Tallahassee, it's 70 in Valdosta, we're at 69 in Valdosta, 70 in Thomasville, and those breezes from the west definitely noticeable, and they're likely going to stay pretty noticeable throughout the day. Look at all those temperatures tightly grouped between 68 and 72 or 73, so a real tight grouping, way warmer than normal. These could be daytime highs this time of year. Our wind from the west is going to continue to be something that we notice, west and southwest, and I think it's going to be kind of breezy at times even this afternoon. So I don't expect fog to be a big story today. We'll see if tonight, if those winds calm down and we see some more visibility reductions tomorrow. Here's what it looks like, bigger picture. You can see the snow and rain and mess in the northeast, and then a lot of nothing until you get back out to the Rocky Mountain states where the next energy is getting organized. This looks like it wants to take a little bit more of a southern route. The closer it approaches to the southeast, the better chances we're going to have for some rain, for some thunderstorms, and I do think we can get some of the cooler air on the other side of that boundary. So a little different setup this week than last week. I think these next couple of days, pretty much the same as what they've been. So plenty of clouds, plenty of humid, plenty warm, and those breaks of sun in the afternoon can really get those temperatures climbing. Most of us today are going to notice those breezy conditions nowhere more than offshore. The winds out of the southwest and south, maybe up to 18 or 20 knots. This morning, we're 60s and 70s. We'll call it warm. Lots of clouds. Still clouds this afternoon, but some breaks of sun. I think we get to the mid-80s today, 83, 84, 85 within reach. Tonight, it's low 60s. There'll be some patchy fog, especially if those winds calm down. Here comes the 7-day forecast. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, all staying warm. Friday is that shot for some showers and storms. And then I think we do cool off on the other side back to more typical March levels.